Let's say that we had a scatter plot where the data points were along this red line, and we were trying to come up with a function that went through them. Well, this model is one that is an exponential model where we have replaced x with x minus h, and essentially we've replaced y with y minus k, allowing for horizontal and vertical translation. So the first thing we want to do is choose the elbow. If you think of this as an arm, where this is the arm attached to the body, and this would be hand up here, the elbow would be somewhere in the middle. It could be here, it could be here, it doesn't make any difference. I'm going to choose it arbitrarily here. It's easy to identify that point. So we draw in the horizontal asymptote. It appears as if the data is leveling off to something like this height of 1. So the horizontal asymptote is y equals 1, so k is equal to 1. Of the model y equals a times b to the x, the horizontal asymptote was the x-axis. Now it's been moved up 1. That's why k is 1. The distance from the horizontal asymptote up to the elbow is 3. So now we have k and a. All we need now is h and b. Well, h is the x-coordinate of the elbow, so that's 2001. We have 3 out of 4. All we need now is b. In Fathom, what you could do is you could make a slider for b and simply move the slider until it matches. We know that b is greater than 1, but there's something else that we can do. There is another point, 2002, 7, or we could have picked a point down here, but anyway, let's pick a point up here. If we substitute 2002 and 7, the only thing that's left is b, and we can solve for b. If we make that substitution, here we have 7 equals 3 times b to the 1 plus 1, and if you solve that for b, you get b is equal to 2. And that gives you the final parameter, 7 equals 3 times 2 to the x minus 2001 plus 1.